Next, we test the 12 volts air conditioning system. First, turn on the power. Because the maximum current of this battery can only reach 100A, we adjust the voltage a little higher. Now we turn on the machine and prepare for testing. Now it is the strong cooling mode. The air volume is in 3 gears. Current 70A, 80A, 90A. In the strong cooling mode, the current is 90A. Now the set temperature is 16 degrees Celsius and the ambient temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. The outlet temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, which is 20 degrees Celsius different from the ambient temperature. The temperature will continue to drop. The current is stable at 90A. Next, we switch to the automatic mode. The air volume is also in 3 gears. The current begins to drop to about 78A. The outlet temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Let's adjust it to the energy-saving mode and see the changes. The current is stable at about 53A. The default set temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Air volume is in the 2nd gear. We lower the set temperature and set it to 16 degrees Celsius. Wait and see the temperature change. Current 53A. Air outlet temperature 18 degrees Celsius. We have strong cooling mode, automatic mode, and energy saving mode in cooling mode.